Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to enable Facebook Marketplace. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, in the bottom middle of the screen, you can see the option that is Marketplace. And if your app doesn't show this option, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version of Facebook. After updating, the Facebook Marketplace option is shown here, and make sure your locations support Facebook Marketplace. And this is the simplest way to enable Facebook Market. And now you can tap on Marketplace, and here you can see the products, and this is the way you can enable marketplace on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.